Oh no, Miles, no, don't drink that big beer, Miles.
That beer's too big, Miles.
That beer's too big, Miles. Don't drink that beer. Oh, that's a big. Oh, he's drinking that beer.
He's gonna drink that beer.
No.
Miles, don't drink it.
That is too much beer, Miles. Oh my God.
That beer is too giant.
Oh,
You're gonna get drunk off of that beer, Miles.
He's gonna get way too drunk off of that beer. Oh, he is drinking that whole beer.
Miles, stop drinking
that big beer.
That beer is too giant.
That beer is huge. Oh, he's halfway through the beer.
He's drinking way too much beer.
Oh my God, look at that beer. Oh, stop drinking. Oh, the beer is done.
Oh my God,
he finished the giant beer. Look at that. There is nothing left in that beer. Oh no, Miles, don't drink that tiny beer.
Miles, that beer's too tiny.
That beer is too tiny. It's not going to get you drunk, Miles.
No, he's drinking it.
Oh, he's drinking
that tiny beer.
He is drinking that tiny. Oh, look at. Oh,
Miles, no, that beer's too tiny.
That beer's too tiny.
No, don't drink the tiny beer, Miles.
That tiny beer's just going to be a waste of your time, Miles.
All of it. Oh my God, I can't believe you're drinking all of that tiny beer.
He's drinking that whole tiny beer. Oh, look, he's finished.
Too tiny. Oh, he's finishing it.
He's finishing the tiny beer.
Oh, that tiny beer is empty.
That tiny beer is empty.
That's an empty tiny beer.
Oh, wow.
Wow, he drank all of that tiny beer.
Man, hey, did you hear that Johnny Depp stole my left testicle to make a keychain? Lost his eyeball, making himself into a pirate.